Hello and welcome back to my channel. Dana Lynnette here, and guys, gals, whoever's watching, I am here to give you a first week update on my micro lock experience. My little baby lock poking out here. So I have a hat on, as you can see, because my hair is so freaking flaky. Like, if you saw my video on my micro lock reveal, and I told you guys when I blew my hair out, you know, I had flakes. Excuse me. Didn't realize that, you know, I was dealing with dandruff on that level. And so I would not say it's having the micro locks cause dandruff. I know a lot of people in their videos say that. I had dandruff before I twisted my hair. And obviously it only got worse. Now, I am trying to avoid washing my hair for like 4 to 6 weeks. I want to give my twist a fighting chance. Let me turn around and let y'all see what the situation is around here. I'm also starting to smell my hair. Now, prior to installing micro locks, I was rocking wigs for, I would say, most, if not all of 2020, I've been rocking wigs. Before that, I was rocking like crochet and box braids. Rarely did I wear my hair. But I typically wash my hair every 1 to 2 weeks, preferably every week, but depending on how busy I was. But yeah, so flakes. But I don't want to wash my hair. I know that sounds gross. Like, your hair stinks and you have flakes. You're not going to wash your hair. I might. So I finished twisting my hair on December 2nd. And I finished interlocking December 3rd. Today is December 8th. So that's about 5 days. I feel like they look a little bit fuller. Oh, I did something daring. I just took a shower without covering my hair. I just had my hair up in that ponytail that I had with the hat on. I mean, I didn't have the hat on, but I had my hair up in a bun. And I took a hot shower, steam and everything. Partially because I'm trying to accelerate this swelling process. Like, this is thin. I don't wear my micro locks down so far. You know, I put Bantu knots or a twist, and then I'll take a couple bobby pins and like pin it up, something like this, into an updo with like cascading curls or, you know, something to the side. But I haven't just like worn it like this. Just, I need a little more fullness. So my hair, I thought it would shrink more by now, because like my natural hair, if it's blown out, it touches my shoulders, and if it's freshly washed with no stretching, it touches my ears. The shrinkage is real. Y'all know how it is. All right, so I have some decisions to make, and please give me your advice. If you're watching this, you know, at the end of 2020, should I just go ahead and rock my, I have a brand new wig in my closet, a synthetic wig that I paid $40 for, because I had no idea I was going to end up locking my hair. I just kind of on a whim was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna do it. I saw Tanish Fordham's micro lock video and fell in love with the idea of micro locks, and then next thing you know, I was twisting my hair up. So I do have a brand new wig. I could use that wig to kind of help me extend the time before my first wash. So I could just kind of pull my hair back into a low pony or 2 ponies, pop my wig on top, and I don't have to worry about, disgusting flakes showing or, other people smelling my hair, right? Or I can just be bold and be brave and go on and wash my hair. I know y'all don't want to see nobody's flakes. I hate when people put their head up in the camera and be like, see, I have dandruff. No, don't want to see that. It's kind of gross. Or I could do like some people and just go ahead and braid and band and wash my hair. So I haven't made a decision on what I'm going to do. But I do have church tonight. Listen, I'm one of those people who don't mind leaving the house looking busted. I do that quite frequently, probably too frequently. But anyway, so that's my update, y'all. I have a bit of a conundrum. I need to decide wig, which I wanted to be done with wigs now, which I will be. But I could use it, you know, for the next 3 weeks to help me extend, you know, the time frame for washing, or just go ahead and wash. Now, I've had one twist unravel just from like me styling and stuff in these 5 days. And what I did, that twist was like up in the front over here somewhere. I turned it into 2 braids. So it was one micro lock, but when, you know, when I saw it untwisted, I thought, it's kind of big. So I went on and took each leg of the twist. Well, I undid the interlocking and the braiding at the bottom and the braiding at the top. And so I went on and made 2 braids out of that one. So now, well, I'm not going to tell you how many twists I have. That's going to be another video. All right, so if you guys have any specific questions, you know, about my micro lock experience, if you have advice on whether you think I should just go ahead and rock the wig to extend the time frame until I wash my hair, or if you think throw that wig away, give it away, and just go ahead and braid and band and wash your hair even though it's only been a week. What are your thoughts? Because I need to make a move. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. I've got all kinds of updates. I want to tell you why I locked my hair. I want to tell you how I locked my hair. I want to tell you who my inspiration was, or a few people who they were, who, you know, my hair crushes are, and do the tag, the micro lock tag, and all kinds of stuff. So shout out to all my DIY micro lockers. Stay tuned.